Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Google Gemini chat history. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to head on over to gemini.google.com and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, we want to go ahead and click onto settings and help. Now from there, click onto activity, and now this is going to be all your activity inside of Google Gemini. So from here we can go down and we can delete any chats by go ahead and clicking on the cross button. You can see that's going to go ahead and delete. Now we can delete with a time range as well, and also once you do delete, it's going to say deletion completed to let you know. Now I'm going to click out of that. Now if you want to go ahead and delete history from the last hour, last day, always custom range, we can also click onto that. So I can click on last day, and that's going to delete all images inside of the last day. So that's the quickest way how to delete Google Gemini chat history.